Hi guys, welcome back. And on this channel, we sometimes talk about lifestyle, DIY, fashion, and budgeting, like this video right here. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're going to be doing my weekly update on my classic happy planner. We're going to do week 3. So the 13th through the 19th, we are going to plan. And I printed off some planners, stickers. Like always, I will leave the shop of the Etsy shop that I bought this from. And again, I'm still not able to figure out how to cut the stickers and still like remove them off of my Cricut mat. So I'm gonna fast forward this part where I decorate this area, and then we'll get into everything. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I had to do a voiceover because my kids are all here. The dogs are barking. My sister wanted to talk to me. So for the rest of the video, it's going to be a voiceover. So here I am just writing out our daily tasks, what I have set for me and the kids for this week. So our internet's been running really slow. So I am going to be having the Cox communication guy come out between 1 and 3. I also have some packages that I need to be returning back to the post office for the kids' enrollment packages. So I am just placing here that I need to go to the post office. So every Wednesdays, I do have a free day. Normally, my little ones go to their dad's house. So I just use Wednesdays as a recovery day for my hobbies. And then on Tuesdays, I do take my daughter to a cheer practice. She is going in the evening time, so it's like between 6 and 7. So I'm just placing that right over here. Next, I do take my daughters on Monday through Friday. Oh, sorry. I take my daughters Monday through Thursday to summer school, my oldest daughter, but on Fridays, she does not have school. So I'm just placing it right here that that day she does not have school. And then for the weekend. So I know Sunday is Juneteenth and Father's Day. So I'm placing them both here. I actually honestly should have did my spread layout like evolving around Juneteenth. That would have been a pretty layout. I don't know what came over me and I didn't do it. So I'm just looking for the stickers in here now, just to place some stickers on both these dates. So I did check my calendar on my cell phone and I totally forgot some items. So on Tuesday before her Tatiana's cheer practice, I do need to go to another location to pick up her cheer pom-poms. I did get a notification that they're in and it's close to where her cheer performance is at. And then on Thursdays, I have all of my kids. So normally I like to do something like family related. And so we are going to be going to see a play. I don't know which play yet. There's several plays showing. So I did take a family vote to see which play the kids want to see. But I'm just going to place that here. So that finishes up this spread for my family planner. I am going to be moving on to the next section in my planner book. So the next section is going to be my budgeting. If you haven't already, I have posted a video about the budget book that I do use to budget all my bills in. This budget portion is just more like a snapshot of what I have to pay or what I did pay for this part. So I'm just writing in paid on some of the bills as like that for that week. And then we're going to move on to my next section. Okay, so I am going to be removing these two pages out of the planner, and I'm going to decorate this spread. Normally, I don't decorate too heavy for my gym portion, so we'll see how I feel right now. So I'm going to fast forward this part. Okay, so this section should be kind of fast. So every week I go to the gym on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So I'm just placing my workout time here. I do have a workout goal for the week, which is to do about 50 push ups a day, or sit ups, I'm sorry, 50 sit ups a day. I'm thinking to myself right now, like, that's going to be kind of hard, but listen, this is why we set goals so that we can accomplish them. So next we're going to be moving on to the planning portion of my daughter's party. Here I have the layout of June. It just has different things that I have to pay on these dates. So I have already paid for the entertainment part and then the kids' dance teacher. If you guys follow me on my budgeting journey, you guys will see a lot of my expenses for this party over there. But here I'm just showing you different contracts that I have. So this contract is complete. It's paid for. I'm going to put it away and then work on the next contract. I have about 2 to 3 more contracts that I still have to pay. So I have the girls' dance class or dance teacher, which is this right here. I did make a payment about $100. So now my new balance is going to be about $850. The next contract I have is the girls' hall where we are hosting the party at. I still have a lot more payments to go, so I'm just showing you here on June 24th. I need to make a payment. And then I still have about 2 more payments on my daughter's dresses. So here I'm just showing you that I made a payment just recently on one daughter's dress. So I made a payment of $100. So my new balance is going to be $579.59. So we're getting there. We're almost closed. The balances of all of these contracts are almost paid off. The party is in October, so we are getting down to the nitty gritty of it all for it to be all paid off. So I did want to show you guys that I did have this sticker right here, and I want to place this back in my family planner section under the Juneteenth day for Sunday. I want to place this African American woman. It's just so pretty, so stunning, and it speaks volumes to me. So I'm just going to tape it right in here because I love the way it looks. If you guys enjoy videos like this, please go ahead and give my channel a big thumbs up. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And until next time, bye guys.